Wow, and how beautiful she looks right now.
Welcome Bhumi Satish Petnagar. Thank you for being for this lovely cause of World Environment Day, starting this initiative for Pink E-Rickshaw, drive her future, her planet. So we have Bhumi.
Entered. And now, ladies and gentlemen, any moment, and you're looking so pretty in that
The climate warrior Bhumi Satish Petnagar has been part of the foundation, and she herself been running this initiative of climate warrior with the volunteers, the students, and doing such amazing things.
कारण की ज्यांची वाट आपण आतुरतेने पाहत होतो तो क्षण आलेला आहे कारण की माननीय अमृताजी फडणवीस यांचं आगमन झालेलं आहे the first lady of Maharashtra, the banker, the social activist, the founder of Divya Foundation. Got a soulful voice. Amrutaji Fadnavis is entering now on the stage.
The founder of the Divyaj Foundation. The Divyaj Foundation has been working on women empowerment and for climate change. Such many initiatives of beach cleanups. Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause for Mrs. Amruta Fadnavis ji, along with Bhumi Satish Petnagar, Seher Bhamla ji and Asif Bhamla ji on stage.
Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause coming in directly from your hearts for the pillars, the strength, and needs to be independent. And here is the time for everyone to win this. Ladies and gentlemen, Pink E-Rickshaw Support Initiative by Bhamla Foundation.
All the lovely work she's been doing throughout. Big round of applause for Aparna Purohit ji. Okay, we will be signing off. आगे बढ़ने से बाकी है. Now.
wait. अरे वो टेबल हटा दो. पीछे थोड़ा पीछे जाइए. सीमा मैम पीछे बैक. मैम अभी सब पीछे चले जाने खाली हो गए.
Now can I have the moment of Fadnavis ji and Asif Bhamla ji to present the beautiful moment of hand sampling to Bhumi Petnagar ji.
Also, ladies and gentlemen, please approach.
To climate warrior Bhumi Petnagar, for the battle, please present this beautiful moment. Now I would request Sujay Jalan ji and Asif Bhamla ji to present a beautiful momentum to the first lady of Maharashtra, Mrs. Amruta Fadnavis ji. To the activities, she's a banker, singer, and as well the founder of the Divyaj Foundation. Can I have a small momentum for Mr. Pawan Irani ji? Now, the organization की बात की company, so Seema Singh ma'am. I would request and receive this beautiful momentum for yes, to speak about our association and especially something for hygiene for the rickshaw drivers which we have. I think we should hear from you now.
Hi everyone. First of all, a big round of applause to all four of them. Very profound conversation, and I could relate to it from the corporate world where the boss is a lady, 60% of my team is women, a mother at home, my wife. I think women are rock stars. A big round of applause to all women. I think this initiative that Mr. Bhamla and Sarah have taken is, I think, a brilliant one. And we love the way, the passion, the amount of energy that's brought in to take this message to the world. I think we need to keep on doing that in terms of sustainability, livelihoods, and everything. I don't want to add much because the four wonderful ladies have done a fabulous job. Thank you so much for this much.
Thank you, Sujit ji. Thank you for all the support for the foundation. Now we have
थोड़ा सा सामने स्टेज दीजिए ना उनको. ये सारे बहुत ही अहम लोग बैठे पीछे. हर पीठ से पूरे हमारे मुंबई शहर से सारे अलग-अलग लोग. Can we have you on stage also, please, Ashish?
Ashish Purvalkar ji, please come on stage.
So I will give it to Baman because Baman is a passionate environment. He is a man who has a science. So I'll request him to say because the time consists सब लोग एक-एक मिनट में अपनी बात रखें.
Very quickly, first of all, congratulations and a big round of thanks to Bhumi, Aparna ji, Ma'am Fadnavis. So putting in the mind of our young friends out there that we have only one planet. Before us, we have only one planet at stake.
Thank you, Babanji. Absolutely, one planet, and this generation is very concerned for the environment. We have very talented Nupur Shannon. She's been doing such wonderful work, fashion, sustainable fashion. Nupurji.
Firstly, I'm so happy to be here, and I want to say, Mr. Asif Hamda and Seher, who's a dear friend, keep creating rooms like these for all of us to have these serious conversations about all these issues. And I'm so excited for the Pink E-Rickshaw initiative. Honestly, I believe in sustainability. I'm trying to do that with my brand as much as I can. And I also believe in women empowerment. And this particular initiative, when I got to know about it, I was so happy to be a part of it, whatever little part I can be of it, because it's actually doing both the things in such a beautiful way. Also, Amrita ji is here, and Amrita ji, Bhumi, Aparna, Seher. It was so lovely to see all of you speak so well about all the issues and also about the Pink E-Rickshaw initiative. I was on the first seat over there, and you guys filled me up as a woman with so much energy. So thank you so much.
रिक्वेस्ट सीमा पर्यावरण महिलाओं के लिए कई सारे उपक्रम करती है और अमृता जी के भी दिल के बड़े करीबी और बाजू में ही खड़ी है कोई दो शब्द
इनक्रेडिबल वर्क मींस हर साल एनवायरनमेंट डे पूरे साल प्लांटेशन हो गया इस साल उन्होंने हर एक पेड़ हर किसी से माँ के नाम पे लगवाया ट्रस्ट के लिए और भी बिकॉज यू आर empowering women and you for safety purpose also so this cause is very close to my heart and many congratulations for such amazing work बस मैं खुदा से भगवान से यही प्रार्थना करती हूँ कि आपको और शक्ति प्रदान करें और हम सब मिलकर इस तरीके से अच्छे कार्य अपने सोसाइटी के लिए और देश के लिए करें तो बहुत शुभकामनाएं धन्यवाद और स्कूल सुजय जी मैंने थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग दिस काइंड ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी सो big thank you everyone thank you so much
Thank you so much. I request Sachin Joshi ji to please come on stage along with Seven. आप ये अलग मंच पे please. Seven. Rickshaw drivers. First, I think we should give the award to Nupur ma'am. Can I have the momentum, please? Nupur. Sir, please. Seema ma'am will give away the small momentum to Nupur. Shannon ma'am. Sachin. And now we have the Mahila Auto Rickshaw. So please, आप लोग आइए यहाँ पर एक छोटा सा hygiene please आइए हमारी महिला ऑटो रिक्शा वाली जी हमारी ये the power of women. Applause guys. These are Mahila rickshaw chalaks who are going to be driving in the roads of Mumbai. And I request Mr. Sujit Patil to please give this small hygiene partner of Mahila Foundation block to hand over this beautiful cake to the Mahila rickshaw drivers. Thank you everyone. I request all to please kindly be seated now. I call the next round of my what is right now. I request after the photo, please thank you everybody. Kindly be seated. All of you all, please start with the please. I would request please to the from the Kataria Jewelers. Mr. Samantha Partners. Now I would like to call on stage Mr. Vijay Karia from Robin Group. Please come on stage, Mr. Vijay Karia, along with the can we have Mrs. Ronak Roy from Amara? Please receive this momentum. HP, please come. Can I have the sampling for Mrs. Ronak Roy? Okay.
Alright, may I please invite Mrs. Megha Rai? And may I please invite Please go all the way on stage. Please join us on the stage. Once again, I would like to invite
Also, please come on stage.
Ms. Meghna Ghai.
Alka Kapoor ji from Delhi all the way. Alka Kapoor ji, please come and receive this small memento.
Welcome.
Please. Saif Siddiqui also please come on stage and receive this sapling for Mr. Saif Siddiqui.
And for that we have gathered here. In fact, we have a lot of children here from Jamnabai. And first of all, I thank Bhamla Foundation. You've come joined us on such an important day. We are here celebrating what it is to be a woman. We are here celebrating progress, and all of us together are enablers of that. Thank you so much.